We're coming to you from MIT. This is Kaspersky Startup Competition Week. We've been really impressed by the quality of the teams. This is different than our student teams here, as even though they're very good, they haven't really gone in the market, and so they're much earlier stage. And the teams that are coming here have been out in the market for a couple of years. They're pretty mature. They have honed their message and have really gotten down to where they can provide value. So the team that I'm going to speak next is looking at security at a pretty low level. That's really a tough problem, and given what you've been describing, I think you have a great understanding of the technology, both by your team and your approach. So can you give us a little bit more of a description of what you're doing?
Great, I'd be happy to. So our solution is protection against destructive malware, and we protect enterprises from catastrophe in a larger perspective, because destructive malware can put down your entire IT infrastructure, like ATMs, slot machines, servers, and endpoints. And we have quite unique technology. Like, should I get into details about
Yes, I think we're here at MIT, so
I'll be happy to get into details.
Sure.
So our technology involves understanding of the firmware and architecture of the device. We also have understanding of the protocol in which the operating system and the device speak with each other, like a TAPI protocol. We have implementations of our sensors and drivers in the different layers of the operating system, and then we monitor the traffic between the operating system and the device. And we have our unique algorithms that allows us to distinguish between malicious and legitimate traffic, as well as block malicious activities in real time. So this is how we protect.
Great. So it's a wonderful approach. I was mentioning before we started filming that I've been reading and keeping track of some of the papers that are taking actions in this space. It's certainly not an easy problem. It's a hard one. How are you doing when it comes to performance? Can you do this under very heavy load, very large infrastructures?
Well, our main customers are actually large enterprises, okay. And our first deal that we closed was with Israeli Defense.